Morning, guys. Morning. Let's go. We're live right at the range break, hopefully. Our range has already been set. Time is it? 8:19. Do we have news today? Let's take a look. News at 9. So we're clear for the 8 a.m. break. Let's see what happens this morning. We're trending towards the upper range. Right now we're pulling back at the VWAP. Right now we're pulling back into the 20 MA, the VWAP. Could we see a bounce and a close above the upper range? That's what we're looking for this morning. Right now, our higher time frame, not a lot of clues there. Let's take a look at that. We are between range, between two fair value gaps. We created a bullish gap this morning. We've since inverted that gap, and price looks to retest and possibly move down. So if we were to analyze a 50-minute, we invert, do a retest, and I move back down to this level. That could be the play. But do we get a bullish move before that happens? That's our 50-minute. Our 1 hour, you can tell we are smack in the middle of this fair value gap. And not a clear direction on the higher time frames. The 4 hour, we've been going sideways. So right now we're just playing off the 2 minute. Right, we're just gonna ride with the 2 minute, and right now we're getting a big nice bull candle to the upside. If we get a close above the above the 105 MA, this is a nice spot to get in, but I wanna get that upper range break before I get in. So let me get that break first. We've already rejected. Let me get that break first. And I just might jump in a trade here. We keep in mind that on the 50-minute we've just inverted a bullish fair value gap, and we're in the process to, actually we're bouncing off the VWAP over there. See, we're bouncing off this VWAP. Let's take a closer look. We came down, VWAP held, we rejected 1, 2, 3 times, and now we're moving up. So let's dial in the other scenario. We go up back into this level right here. So we could bounce off the VWAP and make a push to this upper level. Could that be the play? Let us see. Right now we're on the 2 minute. We've closed back into the range. So we're gonna remove that. So we don't have any news till 9. Do we get that momentum? Do we get that push? Do we get the break? Price came up to the 105, rejected, came back down to the 20, rejected. Are we looking to do that? Higher high, higher low, higher high. Is that our market structure this morning? Let's put it in. We make a higher high, we pull back, we make a higher low. Are we going for the higher high? If we can get past the 105 and get a close above that upper range, I think we're in business. But for now, we sit and we wait. Of note, we didn't also bounce off the 20 MA, we bounced off that midpoint. The midpoint of the open range. You know, we also came down and we bounced off that as well. So I would say right here we've got a nice support in here. Let's see if that holds and we can move to the upside. Let's take it to the upside. Our VWAP is flat, which is not good. We want our VWAP to start to angle because that's a sideways market, guys. When the VWAP goes to sleep, the market goes to sleep. So we want that VWAP to get out of bed. But our 105 EMA is protecting that upper range at all costs. Look at this, guys. The 105, we held here. We held here. That's 2. We held again. 3. We held again. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? Now that's a soldier you want on your team, right? On your side is 105 holding down the fort. It's saying, look, this upper range, nobody's touching you today. Because if they do, if they get to you, they're gonna get past you. Right? So we look for that break off the 105 and possibly a close, and we jump in. And we'll take what the market give us. Do we get the break here? I'm gonna load up 3. If we close, I'm going in, guys. If we close, I'm going in. One tick above the high. Oh, we didn't. We did not close. We did not close. That was exciting for a minute. Price said, not yet. Just wait. Let me go get some more let me go build some more momentum. So when I break, I can move. Let me go get some more. Stop out a few more people. And then we go. And it looks like we're closing back into the range. We don't take a trade, guys, until we have a solid candle where the body crosses the range and we close above the range. Right? We want a nice clean break. And we're going to take off this. Take off that buy stop. We're back into the range. And we start over. That's how we play it, guys. We don't trade wick breaks. We trade candle breaks. Body break. We gotta get the body, not the wick. We got a trend line break. Going back down to the midpoint. Looks like we're gonna test the VWAP again. That's a nice bearish candle. We are bearish on the 15 minutes.
Squeeze tracker cell detected.
We've got a nice rejection of that midpoint. A lot of indecision right now. No clear bias as far as the 2 minute on what price wants to do, what the market wants to do. So we just sit and we just listen to this lo-fi and chill. We've got price once again above our upper range. Is this the break? Price came down and retested the midpoint. Is this the breakout? Let's wait on this candle to close and then we jump in. Get her locked and loaded.
Alert. Price above open range. Order submitted.
Get our contracts ready. And let's see what happens here. Do we get some continuation? Take that, guys. We drop back to an airline break. We've got a long wick, you know, a decent rejection. So I need a better break than this one. I need a nice clean break where the body clears the range cleanly. This is like a hairline break, you know. I just don't like how that candle rejected. We were there, we had a nice, big, nice candle. And then last minute, it just turned into a hammer. Right, so let me get another close here and then I'll jump in. But right now, I don't like that candle. I don't like these hairline breaks. They spell trouble, guys. They spell trouble. So let's see if we get a better close. It's almost as if price got spooked, and I know why. It's because of this. That right there. Spot the gap, spot the level. Got a fair value gap in here. Extends all the way. And so that's what it looks like. That's what we need to break and close above. Not our upper range, but this level right here. See? We failed to close above that level. So let me get a close above that level, that newly discovered level. And then I'll be encouraged to get in. That second break wasn't as bad. I just hope this one stays home, stay home a little bit. Give me a chance to get in.
Order submitted.
Give me a chance to get in. Just stay put. Don't leave me. Don't leave me behind. Don't leave me behind, price. Just keep it steady. Okay, we've got a minute. We've got a minute. Just hold on. Slowly, 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 slowly. Because if it's too big of a candle, I can't take it. If it's too big, I can't take it. We stick to our rules, guys. I've been burnt too many times. Just keep it steady. Seriously. Is this one getting away from us? This one getting away. 14. Keep it steady. 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's drop it. Let's drop it and let's get in. Let's drop it and let's get in. Free contracts. One tick above the high. We're above that level. So we're in a buy zone. Our signal tracker is lighting up nice and green. Do we get triggered? Do we get triggered here? Price pulling back once more. Retesting that upper range, retesting that level we broke through. This down a little bit out the way, because right now we're not looking like we're gonna get continuation. We're pulling back into the range. We're back into the range. Could be retesting the 105 EMA. I think that was a good no trade call, because that move didn't go anywhere. I'm gonna take this off. We had these hairline breaks, just wasn't strong enough. We saw that price was at a level. We waited for the break of that level. We had our entry, our buy stop, one tick above the breakout candle, and luckily for us, we were never triggered into the trade. We wanted to be triggered, but that one tick was enough to keep us safe. Now we have price pulling back, and price just pulled back and closed back into the range, so we look for a new break. We look for a fresh break to jump in. Now this looks like it's gonna be we have a bull candle that's red, and that means our 50-minute candle is bearish. So guys, I wouldn't take this. If we got a break, I wouldn't take this trade just because it's a red candle, even though it's a, you know, it's a green candle on the 2-minute, but the 15-minute is down right now. So I'm not going to trade against the higher time frame. So looks strong too. I just might break my rules and take this, even though it's a red candle. It could very well turn green. It's a break, but it's a red. It's a bearish break. Do I go against my rules and go in? One tick above the high, let's go in. Let's take a crack at it. Just not confident with that being a red candle. I'm gonna take it off, guys. If this candle turns green at any point, I'll jump in. But right now the 15-minute is bearish, and I wrote this indicator specifically for moments like these so I don't go against the 15-minute. Right? I wanted to see what was happening on the 15-minute on whatever time frame chart I was on. Right? And so I'm not gonna go against the indicator that I wrote to stop me from doing the very thing I'm trying to do. So let's wait on that to turn green. This indicator is called the market trend strength indicator. It paints your candles to whatever time frame, higher time frame you would like. Right? So if you're on the 1 minute and you want to trade with the 2 minute, you put in your 2 minute as your time frame. And your candles will stay, if your 2 minute is bullish, your candles will stay green. If it's bearish, your candles will stay red. For me, I'm on the 2 minutes, so I try to trade with the 15 minutes. And as you see, that warning,
Squeeze tracker cell detected.
as you can see, guys, we had a break. We had a nice break, but that candle was red. And so that was telling me, hey, the 15-minute candle is bearish, so you might want to not get in. And luckily I didn't, because we're getting a pullback below the low of that candle, which, you know, I probably would have gotten stopped out. So once again, the market trend strength indicator comes to the rescue, guys. We're getting a pullback into the zone. I say if we close below all these levels, these lines, the 20, the 50, the 105, we might be moving to the downside. We just might be. I'm going to take this off.
Order canceled.
Crisis averted. Guys, we navigated a bunch of failed entries here. A failed upper range break. We had wick rejections, hairline breaks, you know, break that were bearish. We had bullish break that were bearish, that were red. And so, you know, I think we stayed out of trouble for a minute. Got a trend line here. And that's what we want to do, guys. Stay out of trouble. got price back down at a trend line at the 20 MA. Our signal tracker is bearish. Right now the MACD's turning bearish. Our Fisher indicator is bearish. I don't know if we get an open range break trade this morning. Looks like a sideways market. It's coming up to 9. Let's see if we get this bear flag, bull flag. We are getting another break here.
Alert. Price above open range.
Oh, we've got news. We've got news at 9. Yellow folder. Getting another chance.
Order submitted. Alert. Price above open range. Alert.
Let's take
Price
that one.
above open range.
We barely broke that flag, but maybe we can get a scalp off news. 3 contracts. Signal tracker is bearish. We do have divergence right there. So we've got a little divergence right in here. Maybe we should wait on the flag to break. Before getting in. I think this might be our last shot at a trade on the open range this morning. But if we close back into the range, it's a reset. We close back into the range, we reset, guys. Price is not crossing that flag. at all. We have a wedge setting up here. Do we got a squeeze going on here?
Alert. Price above open range.
We've got another break, but let's wait on the wedge to break, guys, because we're just squeezing right now. We're just squeezing. We get the break here. This is where we wrap it up, guys. It's 9 a.m. We either got it or we don't have it.
Order submitted.
Some mornings we just don't get a trade, guys, and that's okay. Some mornings we just don't get a trade. I would love to get a breakout of this wedge. I feel like that's where the play is gonna be, but we're squeezing it down to the wire. We're pushing it to the limit. Is this our breakout? Do we wait on the close, guys, or do we jump in? I'd say we wait on the close. We've had multiple rejections already at this level. Multiple rejections. Why should we take it? Multiple rejections at this level. wait on this candle to close and see. But I think this is it. I don't think we get a trade this morning. Like I said, that's okay. I think this was a good exercise in navigating false breakouts and just reading the price action correctly and sitting on our hands. We got lucky a couple times, but see guys, that breakout got fully rejected. And that's why I don't trade breakouts. So that's it for me. That's it for me this morning, guys. No trade. Crappy price action. And so we do it again tomorrow. And we look for a better opportunity. Alright guys, good luck trading. See you on the next one.